All right, folks, I'm back with another beautiful, gorgeous 2018 Ford Taurus Police Interceptor with 78,000 miles and only 912 idle hours. Original smoked stone metallic from factory. The paint does have very light, few little scratches, and the vehicle does have 3 door dings. That was all I was able to count. As always, I'm on the way, so and I apologize in advance. All right, let's continue. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she is in immaculate running condition and shape. Before I forget, I got to tell you, this was a highway patrol detective unit. That is correct. This was a highway patrol detective unit, not a patrol vehicle. Let me stop right here. Vehicle does have a window tint from factory that appears to be a medium shade in the back and light shade in the front. You can see right through the vehicle without a problem. Vehicle doesn't have any holes in the exterior. Once again, folks, she is in immaculate running condition and shape. No holes in the body whatsoever. Once again, 3 door dings. The paint looks super sharp, very shiny, very unique. This is like the second one on record that I get that is this particular color. Vehicle does have working backup sensors and backup camera. All factory backup sensors and backup camera. Everything does work. Folks, before I forget, I gotta tell you that this is gonna be a FLEXFUEL unit, okay, E85 okay. You can save some serious money at the pump, folks, let me tell you. Folks, I have 1 door ding right here, very small, very tiny, but it is there. And I have, correction, it was right here. And then I have 2 more in the front driver's side door that are hardly noticeable, but they are there. It is my job to tell you that they are there. Correction, I'm gonna go back with 4 door dings. I just picked up another one right here. You guys can see that right there. Maybe something hit it. It's right there. I apologize, folks. In the beginning of the video, I did mention 3. That's on the bottom. I didn't see it, but there you go. 4 door dings right there. Also, before I forget, the vehicle does have a new set of takeoff tires, 245s, 55/18s. The tires that came with the vehicle, they were not looking so good. So I did have a set of tires on standby, so I put them on this vehicle. I've also replaced the full wheel covers with the small chrome dog dishes, factory dog dishes. All 4 steel wheels are nice and gloss black. They did not need reconditioning. Once again, all 4 steel wheels did not need reconditioning. They were nice gloss black. They are nice gloss black. No spotlights on this unit. I do have a nice set of clean and clear front headlights. Front bumper does have some little scuff marks from the road hazard, maybe rocks that hit it here and there, but nothing big or major to worry about, folks. You guys can see that right there. Folks, I do apologize. I haven't been posting so many videos, but that's because a lot of my units have been are being sold through the internet, correction, Instagram, and they're not making it online. So I haven't been able to post that many vehicles, but they are selling behind the scenes, just so you know. If you see something you like, please do not hesitate to give me a call, text me. First come, first serve basis. All right, let's go to interior. Vehicle does have leather rear seat. All seat belts and buckles are in place. As you guys can see, the vehicle does have plastic vinyl floor, which is in perfect condition. Door locks are functional from inside and out of the vehicle. All right. So if you do have passengers inside and out, inside in the back seat, they'll be able to exit out on their own. All 4 door panels in this vehicle are in perfect condition. Yes, folks, everything does work. This is unit number 198161. Driver's side seat and passenger side seat are in perfect condition. Steering wheel, the texture in the steering wheel is in perfect condition as well. Honk does work. Folks, as you guys can see, the vehicle did come with one key, one factory fob. Yes, it is working. Let's get inside of the car. Vehicle does have 78,000 miles, folks. Let's fire her up. All pressure lights are off. 78,000 miles, folks, right there. Let me zoom in here, clean this up for you guys. 78,000 miles with 913 idle hours. Folks, that is it. Once again, this was not a patrol unit. Okay? The dash is perfect. USB connection. Auxiliary line in. Serial lighters are in here. Everything is complete, folks. They do work. Air conditioner is nice and cool, let me tell you. Those wires, exposed wire connectors, those are usually supposed to be behind this panel, but they left them hanging outside. What do you know? A little phone thingy here so you can hang your phone. Honk works. I reset that working cruise control, factory Bluetooth on this unit. Map lights do work. Red LED, white LED does work. Okay. Stereo does work. YouTube, I do not own the rights to the song. YouTube, I do not own the rights to the song. Folks, everything works. Lighting, air conditioning, heater. Very smooth, very quiet ride, as expected on a former highway patrol vehicle. That was a detective unit. Very happy with it, let me tell you. Complete. This is gonna be the 3.7 engine all-wheel drive. I do apologize. I should have said that in the very beginning, but a vehicle was coming in, and of course I thought I was in the way, like I always get caught here doing a video. But so far so good. So I did get distracted. Once again, 3.7 engine, all-wheel drive. Vehicle does have a metal bolt, one key. This is a plus, not used to seeing them like this. You can put your gun, important paperwork in here. It's not gonna go nowhere, I can tell you that right now, okay? Lock it back up, there you go. Solid, there is no funny noises coming from the back. Everything is nice and tight. Full spare tire. Hold down pen and floor jack in the bottom. Folks, what you see is what you're gonna get. If you are interested in this vehicle, please do not hesitate to give me a call. Let's see if we can come to an agreement. Let's go under the hood of the vehicle and show you the services that we're performing on this vehicle. It's got a new set of takeoffs, 245 55s, 18s. Alright folks, and this is the engine. Very quiet, very smooth, no ticks, no clunks, no funny smells, no nothing. What you see is what you're gonna get. Alright folks, as you guys can see, my detail crew did an amazing job bringing this vehicle back to life. She wasn't bad, but they are going to be always dirty. They brought her back to life, folks. This is the end result of it. Alright, let's go with the services starting right to left. I do have a brand new air filter. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. I do have 6 Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs, full synthetic 520 oil service. Transmission was serviced. We did use Mercon LV for this one, 6 quarts. Do stick to Motorcraft. This is just going to be a drain and fill for this unit. You don't have to take any pants down. Coolant level was nice and full. Washer fluid was topped off. Brake fluid was full. We didn't need to do anything to it. Rear differential was full. We didn't have to do anything to it. I mean, the vehicle does have 78,000 miles, folks. Dry belt It's in good shape, so is the tensioner, so I went ahead and left that alone. I did have the rear brakes and rotors replaced. The ones that were there when I first got the car, they didn't look so good. They were about maybe a good 40% pad left on the on those brake pads, so I threw them out. I do have those on standby, folks. So I like to order my stuff in bulks, so whenever I need it, I have it here and I'm ready to go. Let me clean this up here for you guys. Once again, the vehicle has been fully serviced, folks. I did everything that I could possibly done to this one, and once again I set you up for success on another great running vehicle here, folks. Let me tell you, 78,000 miles. We are not used to seeing them with that low mileage here, so I got lucky, and yes, I did pay the price. Alright, folks, if you like what you see here, I'm not sure how long this vehicle is going to stay online. It is getting listed on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, eBay, and other sites for sale. So if you see something you like, please do not hesitate to give me a call. My name is Mario with SoCal Police Cruisers, also known as the Crown Victoria guy. What? No more Crown Victoria, so I'm bringing other vehicles here. So once again, folks, my name is Mario with SoCal Police Cruisers. Thanks for watching here. I know your time is valuable. You guys have a blessed weekend out there. Please take care and God bless. Thanks for watching.